Hi, my name is Mike Deck. I'm a Partner Solutions Architect at AWS focused on our serverless platform, and this is the Introduction to Serverless Development course. Today, we'll talk about how to build applications for the AWS serverless platform. This course focuses specifically on the tools and practices relevant to coders and will teach you about professional serverless development. In today's course, we'll discuss several topics about how to get started developing applications for the AWS serverless platform, and how your life as a developer changes when you move from a traditional application development environment to a serverless one. There are a number of benefits that our customers realize when moving to a serverless architecture, including an improved cost model for their infrastructure and the ability to scale their costs along with the usage of their application. It also reduces the engineering effort necessary in order to build scalable and highly available applications. And one of the biggest benefits that our customers realized is an improved speed of innovation and the ability to move from idea to deployed application very, very quickly. The AWS serverless platform is comprised of a number of different services that take care of everything from compute to API management, data persistence, and messaging. In this course, we'll be focused on the AWS Lambda service, which is a serverless compute platform that allows you to bring your own code. Now, this course assumes that you're already familiar with the basics of the AWS Lambda service, but to review, AWS Lambda allows you to bring your own code and have it run in response to events. So when an event source triggers your function, your code is run and it can interact with other downstream services such as databases and message streams. Now, it's important to understand that the permission model for Lambda has two different components. On the front end, the event sources that are allowed to trigger your Lambda function are controlled by an IAM resource policy. And the resources that your function is allowed to interact with are controlled by the execution role. So if you were to have an S3 bucket triggering a Lambda function, which then puts some data into a DynamoDB table, for instance, the S3 permissions to invoke the function would be managed by the resource policy, while the DynamoDB access for your code itself would be managed by the execution role. In this course, we're going to cover two different primary topics. First of all, we're going to talk about how you write code for a serverless application, as well as how managing that code and the overall developer workflow changes when you move from a traditional application environment into the serverless platform.